web application I'm building for managing my money, or in other words, having a budget. So, and this is pretty much the interface of it. It's just a home button and add payment button. And then you see there's four categories: bills, dining out, groceries, miscellaneous. So let's go ahead and populate that. And first I'll start off on bills. I'll add a payment. Here's the form that accepts the input, sends the database, and then of course the front end is pulling the, the data from the database using PHP. So we'll select bills to categorize this, the name and amount, and I'll just put car note, and then 310.77. Whoa. Then add that, and it's added successfully. So let's go back to the home, and it'll show car note 310.77. But we still need to fill out the other one, so let's go ahead and do that, or I'll go ahead and do that, right? Then go to dining out. Where did I go eat today? Whataburger, and that's a Texas thing. So sorry for those that aren't in Texas. Anyways, what did I pay? $6.10 for a chicken sandwich. Even though I don't like to eat animals, but I was hungry. All right, so Whataburger's there. Now groceries, miscellaneous. Add a payment. Groceries, name, HEB. That's what we got. How much did I spend? $8.75. Access. So just add another payment, and this time we're selecting miscellaneous. Gas. Paid $28.11. I think right now it's what, $3.50 something a gallon. It's pretty expensive, not compared to other states or cities. Alright, so I got data on every single category, and yep. So let me show you the backend, or at least the SQL side, and I am going to do that through terminal. So let's connect to MySQL. First I need the path of where I'm at, or where it's located, which is inside the bin folder, as you'll see. Bin, huh? Oh, I'm already in bin, that's why. Hello. And then you should see MySQL. There it is, second column, third to the last row. Alright, let's clear that. And, well, I need the path again. Applications, MAMP, bin, Apache 2/bin/MySQL, username, root, password. It's my password that I can't tell you. So anyways, I am connected to MySQL or MySQL, whatever. Now let's go ahead and see those databases I have in the MAMP environment. Show databases. Information schema, LCMS, La Feria, MySQL, performance schema, Tuxtla CMS, and the data that from the application you saw is all in the La Feria database. So let's go ahead and select that, which is use La Feria. Alright, so I am using it, and now let's show the tables inside La Feria. Let's show tables. So there we go, we got 4 different tables: bills, dining out, groceries, miscellaneous. And currently this is the setup I have. On that form that we were submitting the data, by the selection I send the data to its individual tables that I had to create. But this is the current way I have it set up for my application. The next update will just be one table that will hold everything instead of having four tables, which is performance issue, I'm sure. So in order to make it faster, why not just have it all in one table, and in order to differentiate them or pull the data by its category, have a category column, because right now it's only the ID, name, and amount column that separates the data in each of its columns, or table. And let me show you what I mean. So in order to show you yeah, so explain bills table, which will show you, or explain to you, or show you uh, how it's set up. So you see the fields: ID, nombre, which is name, and amount. The type, the type of field it is. It's an integer for ID, and varchar and decimal for the others. And no key default auto increment on the ID, obviously. And so that's how I have it set up. So on the next version, there'll be a fourth field, which will be category, and that would then be able to separate the data if I need to pull them, but it's all within one table. So, but let me go ahead and show you the data that you've seen on the front end, but now you see it in the SQL side. So select the wildcard all from the bills table, and then obviously we've only inserted one. So the ID is 62, the name is Cardinal, amount is 310.77. So just so we get the points nicely straightened out, I'll present the other category. Dining out, same. This time Whataburger 610. Groceries, same. HEB and miscellaneous. Boom. Alright, so that is how it's currently set up. And I'll show you one more MySQL command, which is deleting, or emptying, I should say, the tables. And right now I have 4 different tables: bills, dining out, groceries, miscellaneous. So we'll go ahead and refresh, and you see the data's still there. But I'm going to go ahead and empty them one by one. Delete from bills table. Boom. Now let's go back, and the bills category should be empty, which will present a, I think, funny feedback. No way, I know you got bills. Add them. So we'll go ahead and do that for the rest of them. Dining out. Groceries. And delete from miscellaneous. So now all should be empty. Boom. There we go. And that is my current application.